You don't need expensive cybersecurity software to improve your digital security. Here are 7 free tools worth knowing. First, Malwarebytes free, useful for scanning and removing malware. Second, Bitdefender Antivirus free, lightweight antivirus protection for everyday threats. Third, Wireshark, a powerful network protocol analyzer. It's especially useful for understanding what's happening on a network. Fourth, KeePass, an open-source password manager that can help you securely manage unique passwords. Fifth, VeraCrypt, useful for encrypting files, folders, and storage volumes. Sixth, uBlock Origin helps block ads, trackers, and potentially malicious web content. And seventh, CCleaner, useful for basic system cleanup, although it's more of a maintenance tool than a cybersecurity product. Important point. But remember, no tool can make you completely safe. Keep your software updated, use strong unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be careful about what you click. Which of these tools have you used? Comment your favorite below and follow COZ IT'S TECH for more cybersecurity tools and tips.